So today's recipe is dedicated to all those khichdi beginners who can make presentations at work but panic at the sound of a pressure cooker whistle. Presenting Moong Magic Khichdi. So the other day, my dearest brother-in-law told me, "Yaar Devika, making khichdi is supposed to be easy. But I think many people need Google Maps to find the right water level." And then he suggested me to make this recipe video for all the struggling souls. And here we start with equal proportions. 1 bowl moong dal and 1 bowl basmati rice. Mix them and wash them thoroughly. Please wash properly, not like how you wash your face on a Monday morning. And now in a cooker add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Because khichdi cooked in oil is like tea without adrak. Technically correct, emotionally wrong. Then went 1 tablespoon cumin seeds and 1/4 tablespoon hing, followed by 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and garlic, a sprig of curry leaves and 2 long green chilies. Cook them on low flame for a minute or two. Let the aroma announce in the house cooking is happening. And here's a life hack. If chopping onions makes you cry, just remember your ex. Tears will come anyway, at least they'll have a reason. So we added 2 finely chopped onions, then goes some salt. Pro tip, it helps onions cook faster. Science bhi cooking mein kaam aata hai. Next went 2 chopped tomatoes. Then goes haldi and Kashmiri red chili powder. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame till the tomatoes go soft and ghee separates from the masala. Dekho, khichdi ka base taiyar hai. Now in goes our washed dal and rice. Stir slowly जैसे relationship संभालते हो. Patience is key. And now comes the main confusion of the universe. Water measurement. Remember this formula. Water is equal to 2 times rice plus 4 times dal. So here I am adding 6 bowls of water using the same bowl I used to measure the dal and rice. Add salt to taste because once cooked it's too late for regret. Then toss in some fresh green peas. It's optional but I love them. And a handful of chopped coriander. Mix them well and now close the cooker lid. Cook on high flame or sirf ek whistle. Then turn off the flame. Let the pressure cooker do its slow magic. Once pressure releases, open it. See that beautiful, soft, creamy khichdi? Garnish with some coriander. If it's too thick, add a little warm drinking water to adjust consistency. Some like it thick, some semi-thick, some like liquid love. I prefer semi-thick perfection. Look at that golden, soft, velvety texture. And this is my Moong Magic Khichdi. Simple, soulful and absolutely idiot-proof. And now for the final boss move, tadka. This is completely optional. In a small pan, heat 1 to 2 tablespoon ghee. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. When it turns golden, switch off the flame. And add half tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. Now this is the real wow moment. अब अगर आपकी भी कुकर के विसल के साथ दिल बज गया हो, then like, share और subscribe जरूर करना. Serve it as it is or sides of your choice. Most people go for papad, but I am a rebel. I eat my khichdi with crunchy pipes. This combo is unbeatable. So creamy and comforting enough to heal your bad day. So make it, eat it and share it. Screenshot the ingredient list now. अब मैं जा रही हूँ खिचड़ी खाने. Bye.